This is how you make a map graph for data science. First, press num7 to view from the top. Add an image reference of the map you want to create a data map. Add a plane and resize to that with match the reference image. Then subdivide it by 100. Edit the plane and crop the upper and lower part to match the reference image. While the plane is still selected, go to UV Editing Workspace and resize the UV map by pressing A to select all, then S, Y. Go to Geometry Nodes and click New. Add an instance on points, scale instances, realize instance, and set material nodes between the group input and output. Add a cube and connect to the instance of instance on points. Add an image texture, separate RGB, math node set to multiply, map range, and combine XYZ, then connect the chain to the scale input of the scale instances. Add a value node and set it to 20, then connect it to the multiplier and to the map range. This will allow you to increase or decrease the height of the map later on. Connect the vector of the image texture to the group input and color to the group output. Set the geometry nodes into UV map and assign the name for the color. Go to the shading workspace and select the default material. Add an attribute node and type in the same name used on the geometry nodes. And then there you have it. Like and sub. Okay, thanks. Bye!